Hello there, and welcome back to Mr. Tom Teaches Again. I'm Mr. Tom. When we met the last time, we learned about number lines. Number lines are great tools we can use for simple addition and subtraction. We've already seen how to add using a number line. So today, let's see how we can use a number line to subtract. So, what does a number line look like? Well, it's a line that's numbered. It usually starts at 0, and number lines go up as they go to the right. Number lines usually go up one at a time, but we can use a number line to skip count too. We usually use the part of the number line that will help us the most. Now that we remember what a number line looks like, how can we use it to subtract? First, we should have a number sentence to complete. How about we subtract 11 minus 7 equals blank? So, when we subtract, we find the minuend on the number line. The minuend is the number being subtracted from. In our number sentence, 11 is the minuend. Now we count back by the subtrahend to find our answer or difference. The subtrahend is 7. When we subtract, we count back to the left. So, find 11 and count back 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We end up on 4. 11 minus 7 equals 4. The answer, or the difference, is 4. There's another way to solve a subtraction sentence using a number line. Let's use 11 minus 7 equals blank again. This time, we start at the subtrahend, the second number in our number sentence, and count up to the minuend, the first number in the number sentence. We count by ones, and the last step is our answer. So, we're starting at 7 and counting up to 11. Let's see how many steps that takes. 1, 2, 3, 4. From 7, it takes us 4 steps to get to 11. So, 11 minus 7 equals 4. The difference is 4. The neat thing about it is, you can choose which way of subtraction is easiest for you. Let's review. To subtract on a number line, start at the first number and count back by the second number to find the answer. 11 minus 7 equals blank. Start at 11 and count back 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We land on 4. 11 minus 7 equals 4. The difference is 4. Another way is to count the steps from the second number to the first. 11 minus 7 equals blank. Start at 7, count up to 11, and count each step. 1, 2, 3, 4. It took us 4 to get to 11, so 11 minus 7 equals 4. The difference is 4. Well, we certainly learned a lot today. We now know what a number line is and 2 ways to use a number line to subtract. Thanks for sharing this time with me. Be sure to come back again so we can learn more together. I'll see you soon. And remember, it never hurts to be nice.